Hi there. Isn't it strange and annoying that we still get error messages like this one in Windows 11? I think that the simplest solution is to understand what happened and then undo it. In this case, I knew that the problem started after I started to use the phone link app in Windows. And from the name of the file, I could see that this was some sort of service. And of course, it didn't help to restart Windows. And it didn't help to repair and reset phone link and mobile devices apps. I will save you some time and just show some glimpse of what I did. The errors in Event Viewer didn't help much. I even asked ChatGPT, it wanted me to change some values in regedit, but I pulled the handbrake. I looked for cross-device service in services.msc, but since I couldn't find it, I disabled connected devices platform service instead. Nothing worked, and it felt like I've come further down in the rabbit hole. I even reinstalled the phone link application with PowerShell. And of course, repair again. It seems like this phone link app resulted in all kind of errors experienced by users. As a senior tech support and IT technician, I think it's game over and not much of help when a Microsoft agent thinks that you should reinstall Windows. There are only a few occasions when it's justified, rarely for individual applications. I even reinstalled the Visual C++, but it didn't change anything. Now I went a more basic way by trying to disabling the app. I did a reset again, but this time a complete reset. During boot, it was the same error message as before. At this moment I ran System File Checker, SFC, and it found corrupt files and repaired them. I also ran DISM for deep repair, helps fix Windows component store corruption. During this time I asked ChatGPT for a complete list of actions, and I had already done pretty much everything that could be done. Most people would have given up a long time ago and put up with the clicking away the error message when Windows loads. But I'm not like that. But how did I solve the problem? Somehow the problem disappeared after I deactivated PhoneLink again in msconfig. I can even use PhoneLink without problems, as long as I don't let it start automatically in Windows. So somewhere in there lies this solution. If you encounter the same problem, do a complete reset of the PhoneLink app, configure your app again, and turn off automatic startup. If that doesn't help, try one of the other tips. This is one of the way, and we have an intermittent error without a clear solution. Maybe I'm being a little hard on myself now, because this solution has now worked for exactly a month. The best tip I can give you is to consider whether it's worth setting up the PhoneLink app. For me, it might be worth being able to download a single photo, texting or receive mobile calls while sitting at the computer. The latter, however, requires a Bluetooth adapter, which I had to buy. Isn't it strange that Microsoft doesn't test out its new apps enough and can't provide good support? I hope this clip was useful for you. Please click the thumb up and subscribe. You can now also make direct donations to develop this channel further. Links are in the description. See you soon. Bye bye.